Whoa, this guy's so mad. I think his shout could start an earthquake. Let's draw his angry face before the ground starts shaking. Let's start drawing someone who's really not having the best day. First up, we'll sketch his body. He's got a shape like a boiling pot, ready to spill over with anger. Now let's add a huge mouth, big enough to fit, I don't know, a whole pizza. And look at those teeth, like he's getting ready to bite on your pencil. And we can't forget those angry eyebrows. What do you think he's so mad about? Here come those wide, furious eyes. Maybe he's yelling because someone ate the last cookie. What would you be mad about? Now it's time for those arms. Let's draw them up in the air like he's trying to make a point. And hey, while we're doing that, if you're enjoying this drawing adventure, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so you won't miss any of our peep-tastic videos. Let's add the legs, stomping down like he's about to shake the whole room. Finally, let's give him hair that looks like it's on fire. Because when you're this angry, you need a hairstyle that matches. And now, it is time to bring it to life, with some bold lines. Now it's time for markers. Let's bring it back to life. Starting with those eyebrows, sharp as a kitchen knife. Next, we'll outline those wide and furious eyes, like he just learned that the pizza is gone. Oh, what an unpleasant surprise. Then let's sketch that mouth, wide open with a shout. He's yelling so loud, it's what this furious creature is all about. It is time to outline the body, sturdy, tense, and round, like a big boiling pot, making quite the sound. Next, let's draw the right arm, reaching up with a shout, like he's waving for attention. Hey, what's this fuss about? With both arms up high, he is ready to shout. This furious character knows what it's about. With power and purpose, those legs hold him upright. This furious character is ready to ignite. We are ready to finish up with hair, all fiery and bright, like a blazing roaring bonfire, lighting up the night. And now, as always, let's pick some bright hues, hoping to brighten his day with colorful views. Here is my take on this angry little character. For more epic, free videos like this, visit scribblepeeps.com. Bye!